Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today we're going to look at the Omi token. I want to show you kind of a signals idea that I look at when it comes to trading the Omi token. But most of all, guys, I want to talk about the signals group. I had a lot of participants that have emailed me, messaged me, and I'm trying to go through as much as I can, guys. I'm just recovering from a big flu that I just got last week, and I'm finally feeling a little bit better. So this is going to be the week that I'm going to get on my grind and try to get to each and every one of you guys. But most of all, what I want to do with the signals group is not just going to be a signals group, guys. It is going to be more than that. It's going to teach you exactly how to enter the trade, what to look for, and exactly teach you the money management part of how to win a trade even when it goes against you. And that's the beauty of trading. If you can work on your money management part, you will win majority of a trade, or even at least break even or get a small loss. That is the key. Let your winners run and cut your losses short. If you can understand that concept, you will be a great trader over the long period of time. So let's get right into it, guys. And trust me, I am going to get back to every single one of you guys. So please email me at johnscryptotherapy@gmail.com if you do want to participate in this. I do want to take it a little bit slower because I want to make sure everyone understands what a signals group is. This is not just a regular signals group. I want to teach you guys every single thing that I want to know when it comes to signals and how to enter the trades that you want to enter and exit the trades that you want to exit the right way as well. So you can most of all maximize your profits and, trust me, cut your losses short. So let's get into it. This is a very simple diagram that I put out on the 30-minute. So what we see here is liquidation right here. This is an inducement right here, guys. So I do see prices going up. Then we finally tapped in at the very bottom. So when I go extend this all the way out, you can see we tapped in towards the bottom. Great idea to show us a lot of key support. So now what do I expect price to do? We do have this beautiful push towards the upside. So I wanted to highlight that huge move towards the upside. Also, we do see another move back down, a retracement phase all the way towards the downside. This is really great. And we do see a beautiful discount right here. Price is going all the way back down before we wanted to buy the price. The good thing is we do see some liquidation right here. As you can see, the wick to the bottom is lower than that. So we did take out some buyers at the very low right here that were holding on to price from the very get-go right here, guys. So the beautiful thing is we're in an upwards channel. We're holding a lot of value and we are expecting a 4.91% move, guys. So that means we are looking to buy the market roughly around these levels of 0.00074. This is a scalping trade. We're not going to expect price to go towards the upside really fast. All we're expecting is price to break this trend line and continue towards the upside. When we are taking this trade, there's going to be levels in the way that we're going to be taking some profits towards the upside. Okay, guys. So these levels are going to be looking left of structure and looking for these little tops and bottoms of these areas to find out where our first take profit, second and third is going to be located. Why am I taking this trade? Well, we had an inducement towards the downside. As you guys could see, it could be right here or even here. We do see prices not respecting the higher highs and higher lows. We took out those lows. The other beautiful thing is if I put in the Fibonacci retracement, you could see clearly it went down towards the 0.886 and it got rejected around that level. Still a good level of rejection, but of course I want to see the 61 or the 50 to show me a little bit more mass volume. So overall, we do see a wedge going towards the downside right here, a descending wedge. It just finally broke slightly towards the upside. We are seeing a breakout retest confirmation. You could look for your BOS, you could look for your CHACH, you could look for a lot of these key formations, double bottoms, double tops, whatever you want to look for. But overall, guys, we're looking for a bullish scenario. So overall, what I'm looking for, and this is a signals right here, guys. And this is the way I like to look at as signals. I am bullish. What I want to do is look for buying opportunities at the very moment. And what I want to do is put my stop loss just below the structure, look left of structure, find a key level that suits your risk to reward management skills. Take the trade, make sure at least it is 2-to-1 minimum, guys. No matter what, don't take a trade that's 1-to-1. Take a trade that's 2-to-1 no matter what. The overall idea is we are bullish. We're trying to anticipate price going towards upside. We're going to play this out over time. I will come back to the chart. We'll see exactly how it does, guys. But at the end of the day, if you are taking this trade and you want to, let the trade go, what I'm expecting is if you are taking a long, guys. So let's get into this long. If you are taking a long right here, what you want to anticipate is the best place to put your stops are going to be the very lows. The best place to put your take profits is going to be at least 2-to-1, guys. So if you're taking a bigger trade, that's going to be how the bigger trade is going to be looking like. And if you're taking a smaller trade, the smaller trade could go here, maybe a stop loss below the structure, and you can still anticipate price going to 2 to 1. But overall, you would extend your first take profit and second take profit somewhere like this, so you can have better risk to reward on the way going towards the upside. Okay, so even it out throughout the way, but these are still 2 to 1 trades. One is bigger, one is a little bit smaller. So if you're a swing trader, this is something that I would do personally, and your stops will be below the lows, very safe, very protective. And of course, this one a little bit more aggressive, but at the end of the day, guys, these are trades that I would personally take myself. So overall, we are bullish. We have an inducement. We do see that price is trying to go towards the upside. We're beautifully inside of this ascending channel. If the channels get broken and it gets retested, this is a confirmation for me to reduce my risk or get out of the trade and look for another entry. But most of all, guys, keep in mind, if the channel is holding, no matter what, you shouldn't be looking to sell. You should be only looking to buy. If you guys do like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. This is like a signals, but more with the educational background. I don't like just giving signals, guys. I like giving the purpose of why I'm taking the trade. This is more for education. You can look back into it. You can understand why I'm doing the things I'm doing. And most of all, you can learn from it. And I want you guys to learn. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just my advice on how I look at the charts and the markets and give towards my students. And of course, now this is going to be applied for my signals group. So if you guys do like this, please make sure to let me know in the comments below, and I'll love to do more coins. Other than that, thank you so much. Take it easy and John out. Peace.